Hi everyone, I'm Black Mask NF. Do you want to make animations for AoM Retold? Look at this video. First of all, we need a local mod for make the process. Go to mods and then go to mod manager. Then open directory and this button is going to open the local mods folder in your game. We see two folders, local and subscribe. In local, we need to create a folder with the name of your mod. You can use an existing mod, but I prefer to do a test mod for this video. Then, in this new folder, we make more folders. The order is Game, Art, Civilization Name, example Greek, Units, type of unit, for example Infantry, name of the unit, for example Applied, and then a folder named Anim inside. On the other side, we need a folder named Intermediate, and inside make a folder named Model Cache, Civilization name, example Greek, units, type of unit, for example Infantry, name of the unit, for example Applied, and then a folder named and name inside. So, for this first test, we will need the resource manager from AoE tree or Cry Bar editor, any of these two. In the resource manager, we need to go to file menu, then open and find the root directory of your game. Once you have the root, you will need to open the folder Model Cache and then the bar file named art model cache animation data.bar. In the resource manager, you will see a lot of TMA files that are animations. Extract one of your interests. For example, I will use Arcus Heroes to fly. And extract in a folder apart. For example, I will extract in music folder. Then go to the folder extracted and find the TMA file. You will see the name Arcus Heroes to fly, but we will change the name to this Applied Board A, and then copy the renamed file in the folder of your mod. In the intermediate, model cache and corresponding unit. Open the game. Go to editor, menu object, and click on animation viewer. Put a applied in the scenario and then select the applied. In the animations, load the anim board and you can see how the animation changes. Now, we will see how to do another type of animations, not in Intercambiate. Instead of that, we will import animations for the game from Mitsamo. Go to mitsamo.com. There, log in or sign up, and then you will need this. We back to the resource manager and extract the following file, artexamplemodels.bar. In this bar file, we need the following file, the zip file. It's a folder named tools. Extract it. Now enter the zip file and extract this additive unit example. In in this folder, you will find an example of rigged unit that we'll use for the next part. FVX model of the example archers. Copy and paste in the art folder of your mod, exactly in the folder of the unit you want. Copy and paste if you want in another folder and upload to Mitsamo in upload character. Then Mitsamo makes an auto rigging and uploads the file. Because the file is rigged, it does not make problems with the file. Now, select an animation in Mitsamo, whatever you want, and apply to your character. When you are fine with the animation, click on download. The configuration could not be very important, but check this. The model must not have skin. FPS whatever it is okay. For preference, I reduce the keyframe with uniform. And important, set 30 to the keyframe, not 60, not 24, 30. Download the animation. Then put the downloaded animation in the art folder of your mod in the unit. Open the AoM Retold, go to editor and click on objects. Click on model convert tool. You will see the files that you have in your mod and actions for make it. In the FVX animation that you downloaded, only will see actions, not export yet. Click on actions and then export as animation. This will create a file named equal to your animation, but it's a FVX import. Go to desktop and go to the local mod folder. Open with notepad the FVX import of your animation. In skeleton, put the root of the unit that you want for the skeleton. In this case, for the applied, you will see the root. In other units, change the values by the corresponding and save the FVX import with the skeleton. Then return to game, click on refresh. This reload the model convert tool, then click on export, and this will make a TMA file in the intermediate and model cache folder with the name that you called. Remember, change the name of the animation for replacing the animation that you want, and that's it. Reboot the game and you will see the animation in the animation viewer.